Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you in this beautiful video. I hope you will enjoy my unique and very different collections. As hope you will enjoy this very beautifully. My unique and different styling. So will you enjoy all the very pretty and different pebble arts craft, the pebble stones crafts ideas. So you will enjoy this very beautiful collections and very stunning fashionable designing all ideas, home decorations collections. So will you carry all my beautiful different designing? Inshallah, this collection are very different or very unique. So you can watch in this beautifully almost latest collections ideas. So you're watching it. So friends, this very beautifully has all amazing styling and very beautiful all ideas. So very different selections. And friends, so will you like it? That's very beautiful, all amazing styling. So friends, that's very decent all ideas. And friends, very unique and very different. Hope you will enjoy. So very beautifully styling and all my unique and different collection. So you can watching it. That's very prettiest. And you can watch in this different all updates ideas. So friends, so keep watching it. Don't forget press bell icon as watch my videos at starting to end. As viewers, that's gradually amazing stones craft. As hope you will like it. The styling already different. So this very different all ideas. I hope you will enjoy. And friends, so this very different collections. As I hope you will like it. And this my unique styling and very beautiful all ideas. And friends, the latest collections. And this very beautifully all my unique and different collections.